Sustainable actions are changing habits. In Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where passionate creators at EQUA use next-generation water bottles and smart coffee instruments to revolutionize the water and coffee drinking culture. As a rapidly growing and globally recognized brand, EQUA has been on the lookout for ideas that leave a lasting impact for the past 13 years. To date, its devoted team has prevented more than 650 million single-use bottles from polluting the environment. By only choosing premium quality and planet-friendly products, EQUA is not only dreaming, but also acting big.
We are proud to say that our passion for healthy lifestyle, design and sustainability meet in synergy. With EQUA bottles, we inspire people to live a healthy lifestyle and encourage them to drink more water, while Goat Story Solutions make coffee drinking even more enjoyable. We believe in our cause and we're always looking for ways to raise awareness about plastic pollution. So we were excited to work with National Geographic on their Planet or Plastic campaign in 2019.
Known for its sophisticated taste and dedication to excellence, EQUA is raising the bar with the introduction of mugs and reusable bottles that make you feel good, look good, and do good. With creative solutions, such as the EQUA Smart Water Bottle that reminds users to take a sip and alerts them of dehydration, EQUA motivates people to drink water and reduces the use of plastic bottles. By being green, creative and smart, EQUA is an example of the original Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Change the world one drop at a time. In Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.